Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today in this video, I've got a new product here from WYZE. They have done it again, I believe. This is a 4-pack of smart LED turnable white smart bulbs. This 4-pack I think is going to cost sub $40, and I think it was like $30 if I remember correct. So it'll be out and available to the public pretty soon, and it should be pretty awesome. So let's take a look at them here and see. These are 60 watt equivalent bulbs. That's 800 lumens, 120 volts, 60 hertz. So only like US, Canada. It's not everywhere in the world. They can't run on 240, so wouldn't be available for use everywhere in the world, but pretty power efficient, and it's supposed to have a nice long life expectancy. These are Wi-Fi smart bulbs, so they do not require the hub that goes in the back of one of the WYZE cameras like the Sense system does. So these do directly talk to wireless networks, and you're able to control them through the app, as well as with automations and things. They do normally very quickly try to work with if this then that. So as far as size wise, it's smaller than a lot of the LifeX bulbs. The LifeX Mini is equivalent or close to it brightness wise, and might be a tad bit smaller, but overall pretty much real similar in that aspect size wise. Exactly the same as your normal standard LED light bulb. So like I said, with a 4-pack being that affordable, and I'll be testing them soon here and actually using them. I just wanted to show you the unboxing. 4 individually wrapped bulbs, all for one low price. So like I said, they do an amazing job, and I'm sure that it will work really well with any type of home automation system that you've got, and it just brings and drives that cost way down. The only thing I would wish is that they were brighter. I know that a lot of fixtures that people are replacing bulbs in, they may have something more like a 75 or 100 watt equivalent bulb in there, which is going to provide a whole lot more lumens, because they previously had CFLs or the old incandescent bulbs that pulled so much more power. You could swap that out with an equivalent LED so much higher, and still have less power draw. So I'm pretty impressed with them as far as looks. They do weigh quite a bit, but overall, I'll let you know a little bit later how they turn out, but these should be pretty awesome. Oh, I will probably leave a link to their website showing these so that you can go maybe look at them, consider them yourself, and it should be down in the description. This is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.